Okay, we're going to take a look now at homework number 1 for chapter 4. In this assignment here, or in this question here, first thing we have to do is find the hypotenuse. Since it's a right triangle, I can use the Pythagorean theorem to do that. So I'm going to do 16 squared plus 30 squared is equal to x squared. I'll just call the hypotenuse x. So 16 squared plus 30 squared is going to equal 1156 equal to x squared. Do the square root of both sides, and you get that x is equal to 34. So the hypotenuse is 34. Now, if I want to find the sine of angle A is down here. This is my reference angle. I need to say what's the opposite, what's the adjacent, what's the hypotenuse. Well, the opposite side is the side that's away from that. The adjacent is the one that's next to it, and the hypotenuse is there. So then we're going to look at SOHCAHTOA. So this means that sine is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. The C stands for cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, and the T stands for tangent is equal to the opposite over adjacent. So all I'm going to do is just put in the fraction that works. So first one's asking me for the sine of A. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so that's 16 over 34. The next one, cosine, is going to be the adjacent over the hypotenuse, which is 30 over 34. And then the last one is the opposite over the adjacent, which is going to be 16 over 30. And that's how you do that problem.